not a recipe. We're making this really easy. I'm making a desk lunch right now. I want to share with you what I'm making and how to do it. Been traveling a lot. I feel like I need to reset. The new year, new you thing that everybody talks about. I haven't really been doing that. I've still been eating and drinking, so we're gonna reset with a really good lunch. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to my pan. Ooh, that was a little bit more than I thought, but that's okay. I wanna get my greens. I wanna get the greens that I would get in a salad, but without having to make a salad, because I find that salads can be very repetitive. So maybe 5 different leaves. And I also love cooking kale or any like heartier green because you don't have to massage it. It's kind of going crazy, but maybe like a 1/4 of an inch. You guys will see that took all of 30 seconds. And I'm gonna pop it right in my skillet. And then I'm gonna thinly slice my fennel, just like a nice little stir. So I'm gonna let this cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes. My kale is sauteing. I'm gonna take 2 eggs. Eggs are expensive as all get up, right? Behind the shoulder for good luck. There's salt all over my kitchen. And then I'm just gonna whisk these up. Here's my kale and fennel. Again, this is not a recipe. I just wanna warn all of you, this is not a recipe. Many times can I say very easy in a video? I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil. I actually like to get the pan so hot. You know, a little counterintuitive. Get my fat kind of on the bottom of this. And then I like to turn the pan off and just let the residual heat of the pan cook the egg. So actually it's sticking to the bottom, but that's okay. My tortilla is starting to char up. That's exactly what I want. Just little char marks, not too much. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my egg, and I'm gonna just plop it right in my, plop is not a great word, and just add a little bit of my kale. Delicious, amazing. I'm gonna finish julienning these. Look at this beauty. I'm gonna do a little bit of acid on this. I have this Forelli hot sauce. Somebody sent it to me. It's been good. Smoky, it's an Italian hot sauce, so I think that's kind of cool. It's made with balsamic vinegar. Look at this epic, beautiful taco. You guys will see. That's exactly what we're looking for. And that's it.